Hey there everybody, my name is Ron Hustevit and I'm a proud social studies teacher at Sauk STEM Magnet Middle School in Elk River. I've taught here and in Minneapolis for 22 years, so that means basically I am midway through my teaching career. Each year I'm even more excited and passionate about what I do to help empower students to change this world. But our students cannot do that without fully funded schools. This year, all of my class sizes are significantly larger than in the past. That means I'm more stressed than ever and than ever I've been in my career. Our students deserve better. I hope you are passionate about fully funded schools like me, and I'm guessing that you are exhausted too. We are stronger together, and together we have the power to secure full funding for our students. Join me at the Education Minnesota 2020-21 Unity Summit happening January 31st to February 2nd to find out. Sign up now at the link below. Thanks.